Good morning, students. Today we will discuss a new identity which you have to study in class 9, which is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Its formula is x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now we will see some questions based on this. Exercise 2.5, question number 11 is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. You can see this 27x cube can be written as 3x cube whole cube plus y cube plus z cube minus this one we can write 3 into 3x into y into z. If you will try to match this question with this, you can see at the place of x 3x is written and remaining all these things are same. So it can be expanded as 3x plus y plus z in one bracket. Another bracket it will be 3x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x into y minus y into z minus 3x into z. 3xz. So we can write 3x plus y plus z multiplied by 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. See students, exercise 2.5 question number 12 says that verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half x plus y plus z multiplied by in bracket x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So we will prove it by using, first we will take RHS, means this side. Now let us expand it. It is half x plus y plus z multiplied by this. X minus y whole square formula we can write x square plus y square minus 2xy. Y minus z for whole square formula y square plus z square minus 2yz. And z minus x whole square formula is z square plus x square minus 2xz. When you see inside the bracket, you get 2 times x square. Next step we can write 2x square. 2 times y square, which can be written as 2y square. And 2 times z square can be written as 2z square. Minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. This one no change, half n x plus y plus z. You can see from this every term contains 2. So this 2 can be taken out common. It is taken out common. This 2 and this 2 can get cancelled. We are left with x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Just now we have seen in the algebraic identity 8, this is the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, which is left hand side. So hence proved. See student, question number 13. If x plus y plus z is 0, then we have to show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Just now we have seen the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is x plus y plus z multiplied by x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. If this x plus y plus z is 0, according to the question, we will put here 0. Multiplied by anything will give you 0 only. 0 multiplied by anything will give you 0. 0 multiplied by this will also be 0. So in this case, we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is coming 0. So next step, if we are taking minus 3xyz that side, we left with x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz, which we have to prove. Question number 14. Question number 14 says, without calculating the cubes of 12, 7 and 5, we have to find the value of minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. So how can we calculate? For this, we are assuming let x is equal to minus 12, y is equal to 7 and z is equal to 5. Look at this. If we will calculate x plus y plus z, it will be minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. When you add all this, you will get 0. Just now what we have studied, that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So in the same way, minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is coming 0. Then minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube should be equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. When you will multiply all this, you will get minus 1260, which is your final answer. In question number 15, area of a rectangle is given 25a square minus 35a plus 12. We have to calculate length and breadth. We know area of rectangle is L into B. This means the given expression has to be factorized into two factors so that length and breadth can be calculated. So we will factorize 25a square minus 35a plus 12. You can see this is a quadratic equation. You are already knowing how to factorize by middle term splitting. For that, we have to multiply constant term and coefficient of x square. When you multiply 12 and 25, you will get 300. 300 when you will factorize, you will get these numbers. So with the help of these numbers, we have to bring two numbers so that this 35 will come. So for that, see what we can do. 3 3 for that we can use these numbers 2 2 3 5 5. So if you see 3 into 5 15, 2 2 4, 4 multiplied by 5 20. 20 plus 15 is 35, but here minus 35a is written, so we can write here minus 20a plus 15a, minus 15a plus 12. Now let us take out common. From these two we can take out 5a common. What is coming inside? 5a minus 4. From these two we can take out 3 common. We have 5a minus 4. So it can be written as 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. Look at this. Area of rectangle is L into B, and this area also is calculated as 5a minus 4 into 5a minus 3. So at the place of L, what is written? 5a minus 4, and at the place of B we can write 5a minus 3. So from these two, comparing these two, we can write, hence L can be taken 5a minus 4 and breadth can be taken 5a minus 3. You can exchange these two also. We can take breadth as 5a minus 4 and length as 5a minus 3 as well. In question number 16, we have to write all the possible expression for the dimension of the cuboid whose volume is given as 3x square minus 12x. We know volume of cuboid is L into B into H. So this expression we have to factorize in 3 factors. Each factor will give us L, B and H. So this volume 3x square minus 12x, from these two can we take out 3x common? We are left with x minus 4. So you see 3x and x minus 4. If you compare with LBH, you will get L is equal to 3, B is equal to x and H is equal to x minus 4. So these are the 3 values of L, B and H. Next question, one more question I have taken from the R.S. Agrawal book, that we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube minus 12xy plus 64 when it is given that x plus y is equal to minus 4. How can we do this? Since it is given x plus y is equal to minus 4, when this minus 4 we will bring this side, we have x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Look at this. The given expression is x cube plus y cube. This 64 can be taken as 4 cube minus this 12xy can be taken as 3 into x into y into 4. So, you see, the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz was x plus y plus z. So, at the place of z, 4 is taken, x plus y plus 4. And here we have x square plus y square plus 4 square minus xy minus 4y minus 4x. This can be taken according to the formula of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, but this is 0. Just now we have seen, because it is given that x plus y is equal to minus 4. So when we will put at the place of x plus y plus 4 equal to 0, 0 multiplied by this. This whole term will become 0, and we have x cube plus y cube plus 64 minus 12xy will be equal to 0. Now students, we will make exercise 2.5 question number 11 to 16, and remaining exercise of R.S. Agrawal, whatever is left you can make that. Now all the exercise you can make. Also in the attachment I will send one important questions of polynomial from R.S. Agrawal book. You will try that. So in the attachment please go through and you see the revision exercise and you will solve it in the mathematics copy. Thank you.